Hours away from landfall, Hurricane Lay, now a powerful Category 4 storm on its way to Melbourne, Florida, this Sunday, May 19th, 2013. Hello, I'm Gil Williams. Within the next 12 hours, Florida's east coast will likely take an historic hit as Hurricane Lay barrels toward it. Chief Meteorologist Joanne Davis joins us now. Joe, what can we expect at landfall?
Gil, right now, Lay is a Category 4 hurricane with 130-mile-an-hour winds. The models put landfall on the eastern coast in the Melbourne area early this evening. Right now, Lay's feeder bands are starting to move into the southeastern Florida area. Hurricane warnings are in effect for Florida's east coast from Jupiter Inlet to Flagler Beach and Englewood to Panama City on the west coast. A hurricane watch is still in effect for the Gulf Coast from Panama City to Destin and Lake Okeechobee. A tropical storm warning is in effect for Jupiter Inlet to Deerfield Beach, Flagler Beach to Fernandina Beach, and Englewood to Bonita Beach. Let's go outside now to WNN's Brooke Lott. She is standing by in Palm Beach. Brooke, what are you seeing out there?
Joe, conditions are getting worse and the surf is noticeably picking up. The swells look to be about 5 to 8 feet, much bigger than this time yesterday. Evacuations are underway. The Florida Department of Emergency Management estimates upwards of 500,000 people may be on the roads. As people continue to drive north, it's unclear how many of them are tourists or actual residents. Point being, there are a lot of people still here in the state. The Florida Highway Patrol reports major interstates 95 and 75 are packed, and detours established in Jacksonville following the tragic incident there Friday have effectively minimized the impact to those trying to evacuate. Gil.
Thanks, Brooke. You touched on the other big story. Hundreds of people are still believed to be trapped in the rubble of the Aetna building in Jacksonville following Friday's train derailment and explosion. Officials say toxic gases continue to leak from damaged rail cars. WNN's Leon Moore is with us now following this story. Leon, how much longer can rescuers work those areas?
Well, Gil, as the weather continues to degrade, first responders and the National Guard will have to pull back and put rescue and recovery efforts on hold. It is simply becoming too dangerous. That means survivors who cannot get to safety themselves will have to wait out the hurricane. In Jacksonville, hundreds of people are injured and unaccounted for. First responders and the Florida National Guard are continuing to find survivors in what's left of the wreckage and collapsed Aetna building. And in Tampa, officials continue their effort to isolate the release of toxic chemicals from storage tanks damaged in Friday's plane crash. Gil.
Thanks, Leon. Another question today because the state is dealing with 2 hazmat scenes and now an impending Category 4 hurricane. How are resources shifting? Will the military be asked for assistance? We're following these stories, of course, and all of your day's news. Stay with WNN for the latest as Hurricane Lay makes landfall. Go to our website, rnorth.simulationdeck.net, for the latest weather advisories and to see what's trending on social media. For the World News Network, I'm Gil Williams.